possible. A wintry mix Thursday afternoon and evening will likely transition to snow Thursday night. Snow may be moderate to heavy at times through Saturday morning.
Just had the warning on for a second.
Snow amounts may exceed 6 inches, especially near Lake Michigan. Westerly winds could gust as high as 55 miles an hour and will cause blowing and drifting. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The cold wind chills as low as 30 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin.
Yeah, they 1050 there.
Minutes. Additional details. Dangerous cold is expected Thursday night into Sunday.
Seriously, you two.
Low temperatures will be in the single digits above and below zero. High temperatures will be in the single digits and teens above zero. Wind chill values could fall to around 20 to 30 below zero at times. The lowest wind chills will be Friday into Saturday. Additional snow accumulations are expected near Lake Michigan through Sunday in west-northwest wind-favored snow belts. Prepare for possible blizzard conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Today, south winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northwest. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Wednesday, northwest winds 10 knots or less becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Wednesday night, east wind 5 to 15 knots becoming southeast. Cloudy. Waves
Okay, we might get a tone from Cleveland, considering they serve Putnam. Yes. Yeah, Putnam's under it, so they're gonna tone it eventually.
Highs in the upper 30s. South winds around 5. Becoming southwest this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening.
Alright. This is only the beginning. There's more to come. So stay tuned. Multi-hazard winter storm with a combination of strong winds, very cold temperatures, snow, and blowing snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 60 miles an hour. Wind chill values could be as low as 30 below zero. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could severely impact the Friday morning commute and any holiday travel. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills as low as 30 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details. A window of brief intense snowfall is possible with a cold frontal passage late Thursday night into Friday morning. This front will also bring a sharp temperature drop over a matter of a few hours, where temperatures above freezing Thursday night will drop to the single digits by Friday afternoon. A flash freeze is possible with this occurrence. Winds will increase across the area on Friday, especially Friday night, and be the main hazard for the area with blowing snow, also potentially causing hazardous travel. Strong winds could cause damage to trees, bring down power lines, and blow around unsecured objects. Snow will attempt to fill back in across the area on Friday night into Saturday for some additional snow accumulation.
They don't tell me these.
From Friday afternoon through Sunday, a period of almost 48 hours where temperatures remain in the single digits is possible. This combined with the strong winds would allow for a long period of wind chills well below zero and increase exposure risk and infrastructure concerns across the area. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Thursday evening through Saturday morning. For Defiance, Paulding, Putnam, Van Wert, and Allen counties. What? Blizzard conditions possible. A wintry mix
What do you know?
to all snow by Thursday evening. Snow will be moderate to heavy at times Thursday night into Friday before transitioning to lake effect snow through Saturday. Storm total snow amounts will be quite varied, exceeding well over 1 foot near Lake Michigan to a few inches in northwest Ohio. West winds could gust as high as 55 miles an hour and will cause significant blowing and drifting snow.
Alright, we got another one. And of course, Cleveland's not gonna tell me because they're lazy pieces of shit.
Thursday evening through Saturday morning.
Yes, we hear you too, 5-4. Tomorrow, I'm expecting the mass influx of the winter storm warning, so be prepared. IWX may issue some tonight. It's most likely they probably will for their far western areas, but I'm not expecting one to be issued towards the Ohio region. And the V1 failed.
High temperatures will be in the single digits and teams above zero. Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Augraves, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, and Shelby. Wind chill watch in effect from late Thursday night through late Friday night. For the winter storm warning, combination of snow, blowing snow, and wind expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. For the wind chill watch, dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero. For the wind chill watch, from late Thursday night through late Friday night. Impacts, plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning commute as well as holiday travel. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches and cause power outages. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Additional details: temperatures will drop sharply in the matter of a few hours during Thursday night, rapidly falling well below freezing, leading to the potential for a flash freeze. This will cause travel conditions to rapidly deteriorate. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter weather additional details for the following counties: Putnam, Ohio. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. southern Indiana and northwest Ohio. Wind from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impact. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Gusty winds will bring down tree branches and cause power outages. Dangerously cold wind chills 14, 20 or low to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Thursday to 7 a.m. Saturday. For Paulding, Putnam, Van Wert, and Allen counties. Winter weather message. Snow expected for the following counties: Putnam, Ohio. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. West, moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles an hour. Wares, portions of northern Indiana and northwest Ohio. Wind from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impact. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. Plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches and cause power outages. The dangerously cold wind chills to 20 below to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Wind chill values as low as 0 in the morning. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Winter storm Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood and White is on. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. West, multi-hazard winter storm with a combination of strong winds, very cold temperatures, snow, and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Wind chill values could be as low as 25 below zero. Wares, portions of northwest Ohio. Wind from 10 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Travel will be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Friday morning and any holiday travel. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero would cause frostbite on exposed skin as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: the window upgrade and snowfall is expected with the cold front Thursday night. This front will bring sharp temperatures off over a matter of a few hours, with temperatures about freezing will drop to single digits by Friday afternoon. A flash freeze is possible.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm catching it right now. We might have a double. Island better be toning. Ha! No 1050.
Very cold temperatures, snow, blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles an hour. Wind chills values could be as low as 25 below zero. Where? Portions of northwest Ohio.
They didn't 1050
When?
it.
From 10 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Saturday. Impacts.
Nope, they
Travel
just
could be
did
very
same
difficult.
tones and that's it.
Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could severely impact the Friday morning commute and any holiday travel. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: a window of brief intense snowfall is expected with a cold front Thursday night. This front will bring a sharp temperature drop over a matter of a few hours, where temperatures above freezing will drop to the single digits by
Dude,
Friday
come
afternoon.
on, 250.
A flash freeze is possible with this occurrence. Winds will increase across the area early Friday, especially Friday night, and be the main hazard for the area with blowing snow, also potentially causing hazardous travel. Strong winds could cause damage to trees, bring down power lines, and blow around unsecured objects. From Friday through Sunday, a period of almost 48 hours where temperatures remain in the single digits is possible. This combined with the strong winds would allow for a long period of wind chills well below zero and increase exposure risk and infrastructure concerns across the area. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling.
Ha!
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Saturday. For Paulding, Putnam,
Yes, you did hear, they did just time out.
Moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas will significantly reduce. In effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 5 p.m. Friday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 4 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Auglaize, Harding, Logan, Mercer, and Shelby. For the winter storm warning, combination of snow, blowing snow, and wind expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 35 below zero. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Additional details: temperatures will drop sharply in the matter of a few hours during Thursday night, rapidly falling well below freezing, leading to the potential for a flash freeze. This will cause travel conditions to rapidly deteriorate. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. West of today, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain late this morning, then rain likely this afternoon. Highs in the upper 30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, rain and snow in the evening, then snow after midnight. Blowing snow after midnight. Snow may be heavy at times in the evening. Snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Windy and much cooler with lows around 5 below. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. West 20 to 30.